Hey everyone. If you're dealing with a QuickBooks file error and can't open your company file, don't worry, I've got you. In this video, I'll walk you through some quick and easy fixes. So yeah, you can solve the issue and get back to work without too much stress. All right, first things first. Try restarting QuickBooks and your computer. I mean, this might sound simple, but temporary glitches or background issues can often cause file errors, and a quick restart can fix things instantly. Next, check where your company file is stored. If it's on a network drive, USB, or external device, try moving it to your local computer and open it again. Sometimes unstable connections can cause file access problems. Now go ahead and use the Verify and Rebuild Data tool. So open QuickBooks, go to the File menu, then Utilities, and click on Verify Data. If QuickBooks finds any issues, run Rebuild Data to fix them automatically. Another helpful step is to run QuickBooks as an administrator. Yeah, this gives the software full permissions and can fix problems related to file access or restrictions. If the error still isn't fixed, you can use the QuickBooks Tool Hub. It's designed to detect and repair company file issues, and it's really useful if you're not sure what's causing the problem. And finally, if nothing works, you can restore a backup file. I mean, this will bring your data back to a working state. Just make sure the backup is recent so you don't lose important information. So yeah, just follow these steps one by one, and your QuickBooks file error should be resolved. And if this helped, feel free to check out more QuickBooks guides.